moments most sacred. Both species, they lay naked in the tombs of the oasis. Think back on niggas I ate with, spend the day with, guns we play with, niggas I relate with, who broke bread. I heard through a vine, niggas work for the Fed, sent out secretly to take my head. I laid back and meditate to the words they said. Skip town, 4 months, goofy dreads. Had a friend tell my family I was dead. Return at the last fall of the autumn leaves. Operate the plan accordingly, in case the feds are recording me. Sign all documents, using forgery, cause just a mere thought of me. I'm like Solomon, spoke bluntly, told the world I'm black and comely. Howls from the grave hunt me, the smell of death's upon me. I dwell in the hills like Gandhi, been in the presence of mad peasants and old kings who sold everything on the quest for God's divine. Slept in caves to get a clear mind, who prayed 3 times when the moon lit and when the sun rise. I met dwellers in the desert, talked to shepherds, been in the mouth of many leopards, felt the death kiss of Satan's mistress, walked through vacant districts before religious, studied pagan scriptures, to philosophers and physicians on a cure mission, who hard their hearts toward the weak, sick and afflicted. Candles lit, gamble with a bitch who made me love her when I touch her. Soft paws, high claws, bees with sweet honey in their mouth, have bitter stingers at their tail. Walk through the chambers of death, take a hold on to hell. Embracing her was like embracing the third.